Step 1. Eligibility. To become a security guard in New South Wales, you must meet the requirements set by the New South Wales Police Security, Licensing and Enforcement Directorate, also known as SLED. To apply for a New South Wales security license, you must be at least 18, pass a criminal history check, be a fit and proper person, be legally allowed to work in Australia, complete approved security training, hold a current first aid certificate for certain license classes. Step 2. Training. Before applying for a security license in New South Wales, you must complete approved training through a registered training organization. For most entry-level security jobs, you need Certificate 2 in Security Operations, CPP 20218. This course covers patrolling, access control, crowd control, conflict management, screening people in bags, report writing, legal powers and responsibilities. Step 3. First aid. In New South Wales, a current first aid certificate is required for most Class 1 security license categories, including unarmed guard and crowd control. The common course is HLT Aid 011, Provide First Aid. Step 4. Apply for your security license. In New South Wales, most entry-level security guards apply for a Class 1 security license. Class 1 license categories include 1A, Unarmed Guard, 1B, Monitoring Control Room, 1C, Crowd Controller, 1D, Bodyguard. You apply through the New South Wales Police SLED licensing system. Step 5. Background checks. As part of your application, New South Wales Police will conduct a criminal history check and may require fingerprinting as part of the licensing process. This is part of the official licensing application through SLED. Step 6. When applying, you will typically need to submit the following: proof of identity, Certificate 2 in Security Operations, First Aid Certificate, passport photo, application fee, criminal history check, additional documents depending on license class. Step 7. Once your application is submitted, New South Wales Police will review your application, conduct background checks, and determine whether you are approved for a security license. Once approved, you can legally work as a licensed security guard in New South Wales. Step 8. Once licensed, you can start applying for jobs such as unarmed guard, crowd controller, mobile patrol, control room operator, and event security. Join the r/GuardGuides community on Reddit to compare pay, licensing requirements, and job experiences across the industry and the world. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more Guard Guides, and be safe.